Imagine a time when the skies were solely dominated by birds and planes. Now think of a world where unmanned aircraft, known as drones, are a common sight. Yes, that's the world we live in today. But have you ever wondered how we got here? Our story begins in the 19th century when the concept of drones first sprouted. Originally, these unmanned aerial vehicles were crafted for military use. They were the brainchild of inventors who dreamed about using technology for warfare without risking human lives. The first recorded use of drones happened during World War I. They were used as target practices for military training, providing a realistic simulation for soldiers. These early versions of drones were rudimentary, often unreliable, but they laid the foundation for the technological marvels that we see today. As we ventured into World War II, drones took on more sophisticated roles. They were used for reconnaissance missions, and even as flying bombs. It was during this time that drones truly demonstrated their potential in military operations. But it wasn't until the late 20th century that drones began to evolve beyond military use. Inventors and entrepreneurs saw the potential for commercial and recreational applications. They envisioned a world where drones could be used for anything from aerial photography to package delivery. In the early 21st century, this vision started to become a reality. Drones became accessible to the general public. Kids started flying toy drones in their backyards, while adults used them for a variety of tasks, from capturing breathtaking aerial shots to inspecting hard-to-reach structures. Today, drones are more than just flying toys. They are tools that can make our lives easier and more exciting. They've transformed industries, revolutionized photography, and even changed the way we think about transportation. From being a tactical tool to evolving into a gadget for everyday use, drones have certainly come a long way. So next time you see a drone buzzing in the sky, take a moment to appreciate the fascinating journey that brought it there. Fast forward to the present day, and drones are no longer just military tools or fancy toys. They've become a game changer in numerous industries. In the world of agriculture, drones are the new sheriffs in town. They patrol the vast expanses of farmland with an eagle's eye, monitoring crop health, identifying pests, and even taking on the role of crop dusters. These tireless workers have not only increased yield, but also reduced the cost of farming, making it a win-win situation for the farmer and the consumer. Next, let's float over to the bustling market of real estate. Here, drones have taken the power of persuasion to new heights. They capture stunning aerial views of properties, providing potential buyers with a bird's-eye view that was previously the sole domain of expensive helicopter rides. This has revolutionized the way we market and sell properties, making the process more efficient and engaging. Now imagine a life and death situation. A hiker lost in the wilderness or a child gone missing in a crowded city. Time is of the essence. Enter drones, the new heroes of search and rescue operations. With their ability to navigate difficult terrains and provide real-time footage, they have increased the efficiency of these operations exponentially, saving precious lives in the process. Finally, we drift over to the realm of delivery services. Remember the times when we used to wait for days for a package to arrive? Thanks to drones, those days are numbered. Companies are now using drones to deliver packages, promising faster delivery times and reducing traffic congestion. Drones, in essence, have become an integral part of our modern world, transforming the way we work and live. From farming to real estate, from search and rescue operations to delivery services, drones are reshaping industries and redefining what's possible. And this is just the beginning. With the rapid advancements in drone technology, who knows what the future holds? One thing is for sure, the sky is no longer the limit. If you thought drones have peaked in their utility, you're in for a surprise. The future of drones holds limitless possibilities. Imagine a world where drones are an integral part of our everyday lives. The potential scope of drone use is vast and varied, from healthcare to environmental conservation, and even to city traffic management. In healthcare, drones could revolutionize the way we transport medical supplies. Picture this. A rural hospital is running low on a critical vaccine. With the traditional means of delivery, it might take days for the supplies to arrive. But with drones, the vaccine can be dispatched immediately, reaching the hospital within hours, not days. This is not a distant future, but a reality that is being actively pursued by innovators across the globe. In the field of environmental conservation, drones are already making waves. But their role could be even more significant. Imagine drones being used to monitor wildlife populations, track migration patterns, and even detect and combat forest fires. They could provide invaluable data to scientists and conservationists, helping to preserve our planet and its diverse ecosystems. Now let's consider urban environments. Cities around the world are grappling with increasing traffic congestion. But what if we could use drones to manage traffic more effectively? Picture drones hovering above busy intersections, analyzing traffic flow in real time, and adjusting traffic signals to optimize movement. It's not just about easing your commute. It's about creating more sustainable, efficient cities. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. Ongoing research and development promise to improve drone technology in unimaginable ways. From drones that can operate underwater to those that can withstand extreme weather conditions, the possibilities are endless. The story of drones is far from over. In fact, it's only just beginning. As drone technology evolves, their uses will continue to diversify and expand. As technology continues to advance, drones are set to play an even bigger role in our lives, changing the world in ways we can only begin to imagine. To sum it up, the journey of drones from conception to their current uses and future potential is nothing short of remarkable. From their birth as simple flying machines, drones have evolved into tools of tremendous versatility. Today, they are much more than just toys for tech enthusiasts. They're reshaping industries, catalyzing innovations in fields as diverse as agriculture, real estate, and emergency services. The impact of drones is felt worldwide. They're helping farmers monitor crops, realtors showcase properties, and first responders save lives. This is the present. But what about the future? With advancements in AI and machine learning, drones are set to revolutionize our world in ways we can barely imagine. The potential is astounding. Drones could deliver our packages, monitor traffic, even assist in construction. As we delve deeper into the realm of possibilities, we realize that we're standing on the brink of a drone revolution. As we stand on the brink of a drone revolution, one thing is certain: the sky is no longer the limit, it's just the beginning.